Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Irene. We're coming live from the streets of Mombasa, yeah? We're coming live from the streets of Mombasa. And I am here with my good friend.
Samuel Travel and History.
Yes.
And we're exploring the most vibrant street in
Mombasa. City, Kenya.
City.
Yeah, so it's in the evening. What's the time?
It's around 6. It's 6.
Yeah, 6:15, yeah? So let us just go. Samuel is here with me today and I'm happy. I'm so happy he came. So
we're exploring the street of Mombasa.
Yeah, so subscribe to our channels and we will really appreciate. Yeah, so thank you. Yes, thank you so much guys and enjoy the video. Yeah, Samuel. Which street is this?
This is called Makadara.
Oh, Makadara.
Yeah, because of there is a playground that is on the other side that is called Makadara. Yeah, and for me, I feel like this is the most vibrant street in
Mombasa. Yeah.
Especially when it comes to street foods.
Yes.
Relaxed people. Nice places for food, ice cream.
Yeah.
And also you can find some very rich people hanging out on this street.
Mombasa bwana is for the rich. Everywhere I go.
Did you go to Kizingo?
Kizingo? No, I've not gone to Kizingo. Yeah.
Kizingo is a rich neighborhood. You can see the sunset, how the sunset is set.
Yeah. And here, do you know what? When I went to Nairobi on the first day, that's where I saw this. But in Nairobi they can't operate in
the CBD.
But in Mombasa.
Yeah, in Mombasa.
Everywhere.
Means of transport.
There are so many. Yeah. Tuk-tuks.
So you see hotels. Mombasa River. You see like the street food are being prepared right now.
You want to eat?
If you want to eat, it's okay.
How much? They sell how much? This is Samuel. Samuel, what are you doing?
I'm trying some mushkaki.
Mushi?
Mushkaki. I'm trying some mushkaki here.
So it is made of what?
Some small pieces of meat. Maybe from chicken or beef.
Oh.
Then you see how they do their chicken.
Yeah.
They put some chicken tandoori.
Hii pesa ngapi?
Nguo ni 250.
Samuel is trying street food. For me, my stomach is not.
But you can still try. It's fun. It's okay.
Oh, sorry.
Kuna hiyo sauce.
Guys, do you see? Hebu ask Samuel what he is doing. Samuel, what are you doing?
I'm trying some street food.
What's it?
It's nice. For me, I don't eat nini nyama ya ng'ombe sasa. Uko na ya kuku?
Ya kuku hii ukitaka. Ya kuku hapa. Ala.
How is Samuel? Eating street food. This famous streets, very busy street, yeah? This is where they sell street foods. Very busy street, yeah? How much was that?
50 cents. 50 Kenya shilling.
How was it?
Man, it's so good, man.
Hey.
See, that's the vibe.
I'm going to test the shawarma. You call it shawarma? Yeah.
Everywhere you go, you get shawarma and toast.
We need to do this, guys. It's very late. 6. See people are just eating here, enjoying, relaxing. Yeah, I've seen. This is Kibokoni Road, yeah?
Kibokoni, when you're going to Old Town.
Okay.
There's also another drink by they sell shawarma, but it's 200.
Ah. Why is this shawarma expensive?
It's made of chicken.
Oh, no problem.
Mama who I've created,
Yeah,
she has been selling street food for 30 years.
and she's still selling.
Yeah, and she's still selling.
You know, people in Mombasa, they know how to convince. Like, someone can even convince you, mpaka ununue kitu yenye ukutaka. I've experienced that.
So these are the streets of Mombasa.
Samburu Road,
Yeah, well,
this one.
evening time, almost 6, 7.
Almost 7.
I think it's yeah.
Huh.
So it's really,
We are still here with Samuel. Samuel,
yeah.
tell us something.
We're still exploring the street of Mombasa.
Uh-huh.
As you have seen previously, we are exploring and also trying to sample some street foods.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, subscribe to our channels, guys, yeah?
Subscribe to our channels
We're trying to work so hard.
and support us because like right now it's almost 7 and we're still creating content and we are not yet done. Oh God. This journey is no joke.
Hey. Like since morning, you know, I left the house at 8.
At 8 in the morning.
Yes. I went to a certain park there, then I came to town. I've been doing videos since morning, Bana. Oh, these are the beautiful streets, guys. This side, the lights is not good because of the direction of the sun. Of this, yeah.
The sun is not okay.
See?
You know, we are past golden hour.
Yeah. Like, you know, you see Mombasa, a lot of people sell foods on the streets.
Yeah, most people depend on street food. Hapa ndo wananunanga kahawa lakini Masai hayuko.
Oh. Kakadi na waru na washe.
Karai.
Yeah.
Unataka kujaribu viazi karai?
Yeah, I need to try. I need to try that.
Kama kuna place nyingine kule kuna konga na street food mob.
Should we go there then?
Tunaenda.
Yeah.
We have to. They don't have.
The kids are coming from school. Yeah?
But they don't know that guy if he accepts M-Pesa. But this one accepts M-Pesa.
This one?
Yeah, he's my friend.
You can go there still.
Maybe you can
see, it is
try.
still the same.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, subscribe, yeah? We want to try street food here.
So right now we are going to try the viazi karai and some bajia. I've already ordered this.
Mambo. Okay. That Samuel. Sorry guys, my camera is misbehaving. That is Samuel.
Yes, we are waiting for viazi karai and also bajia. I want Irene to get the full taste. Mombasa. You cannot go back to Nairobi without tasting this.
Me. Guys, that is Samuel.
So this is chili. So this is chili. This is chili. This is chutney. This is chutney.
Chutney ni nini? Imeundwa na nini?
It's made from coconut milk. And then now here we have tamarind. So we have tamarind, yes. So and then we also have juice. So Irene, you wanna try the viazi karai? So you add some chutney, or you add.
How does it taste now?
So you can just add a little, and then you taste, and then you tell me what do you think.
Hii ni pilipili bwana, sio?
Hiyo ni pilipili.
Okay.
And then sasa uongeze chutney. So chutney is made from coconut. Yeah.
That is why you have a lot of nini all over.
A lot of coconuts.
Yes, all over in Mombasa.
Yeah, you know Mombasa is a coastal town, so coconuts zinamea tu. So the Swahili have known how to maneuver with coconuts and food.
The Swahili foods are the best. Oh. Maya, what is this?
Hiyo ni bajia.
Nyama.
Bajia, no, it's made from like potato, corianders. No.
Hey.
So what do you think?
Amazing. I was feeling because of my stomach. I think this is going to be my supper for today.
For today.
I hate this and this, and I go and sleep.
The life of a traveler.
Yes.
So.
The big man is eating. Big boss.
Big boss.
The master in street foods.
You know, Mombasa has the best. You know, during the evening time,
Yeah.
that's when the vendors bring their kitchen masterpieces to the streets.
Okay.
Yeah.